Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can play PlayStation 1 games into your PS3 and even PS2 games in your PS3, and it doesn't really matter what PS3 you have. It doesn't even have to be backwards compatible. All you need is a PS3 and you can play all of your classic games, and it's going to be PS1 game. And as you can see, I just loaded the game called MULTIMAN. That is a PS1 game and I'm going to play it right now. And you can do this with any PS3. Like I said, it can be super slim, or even fat one that is also backward compatible, but the PS3s that are not backward compatible, you can play in those as well. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. It's pretty simple, anyone can do that. And again, I'm saying it for the third time, any PS3 would work. So PS3 super slim, doesn't really matter which one you have. So yeah, now let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first step is going to be you need to have hen in your PlayStation 3. So what hen is, it's basically a soft jailbreak, and that you can do within 5 minutes, and I already made a video about that, so I will link that video in the description. Any PS3 can be jailbroken with this method, and as you can see, I'm on PS3 Slim and I have that jailbroken. So once you have jailbroken your PS3, you need to have MULTIMAN installed, and that's also in that video where I showed how to jailbreak. So once you have all the things, start MULTIMAN, and then you're gonna have to transfer the game into the USB. So once you have PS3 hen enabled, you need to have the game into your USB, like I said. So as you can see, I have the game called MULTIMAN. It's a PlayStation 1 game. So you're gonna have to copy that game into USB, and remember, into the USB you need to make a folder called PSXISO. Okay, PSXISO, you can see on the screen. And once you have that, you're gonna have to copy the game, and I will link down everything in the description where you can find how to download the games. I mean the game websites and stuff like that, or you can just search up on Google and download the games from there. So once you have the game files in the USB, you need to extract that, and there's gonna be few bin files, and it depends on the game. Some games have 1 or 2 bin files, and some have like 5 or 6, just like this MULTIMAN have. So you're gonna have to extract all of those files into the folder called PSXISO into the USB. Remember that. And again, I'm saying this will work onto the HEN PS3 with MULTIMAN, and you can do that within 5 minutes to any PS3. And if you have any confusion, literally any PS3 will work. I'm saying it right now. So once you have copied that, you're gonna have to take the USB and put it on the PS3. So I have the PS3 right here, and as you can see, I'm using a slim model. And once you have plugged the USB into your PS3, you're gonna have to go to MULTIMAN. And again, I'm saying it like for the 4th time in this video, you can do this with any PS3. You can jailbreak any PS3. And by the way, I'm using a PS4 controller on my PS3. And there's my cat. I hope you can see that. He's sleeping. So anyway, once you have the USB enabled, USB inserted, plugged in into your PS3, you're gonna have to start the MULTIMAN. And inside the MULTIMAN, there's an option called retro in the menu, and there you can see the game. So I'm gonna refresh, and you can see here we have the game MULTIMAN. So I'm gonna launch that, and literally it's so amazing. You can play all of the backward compatible game into your PS3, and all of the classics including PS2 and PS1 games into your PS3. And this is really fun because PS5 doesn't have any backward compatible, only PS4, right? So if you have a PS3, PS4 and PS5, so basically you have all of the consoles, because you can play all of the games. And my cat just opened the door. You heard this creaking sound, right? Because I heard that. So anyway, so as you can see, I launched the game and it's gonna load up, and that's how you play PS1 games into your PS3. And for the PS2 games, guys, you can download the ISO files, or you can download the bin files. Some games have bin files, some have ISO, and it's gonna work the same. You just gonna have to transfer the ISO file into the PS3 using the USB, or the game is bigger, you can use an app called FileZilla to transfer directly through your PC to PS3, and it will work. So this is how you can play the games, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys find this video useful, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.